Traveling with us on the jet is addictive. We started doing these trips in 2012, and it's fantastically successful. We need to push the envelope and create something a little new. What can we offer that nobody else has offered before? The new jet, it changes what we're doing in the air, and it changes how people are interacting with each other. It is home. It is a sanctuary. I'm really looking forward to bringing that first set of guests onto our new jet and just showing them what we've done. This is what we've created to get you around the world in Four Seasons style.